Hello guys, hope you are doing great. So in this video today, we will see yet another improvement that have been included in Moodle 4.3, and that is activity completion global settings. Okay. So this has been included the first time in that is in Moodle 4.3. So let's get started. So here, if you come under the since this is a part of course, so you will find after the site administration, then the courses, then you will have the default setting, and here additional link you will see default activity completion. So if you click on this link, you will see the list of all the activity currently available in your LMS. Let me go back to my course page here inside the course, and this setting will be applicable while creating a activity. Okay, for example, if I am going to create a activity that is assignment. Okay, and now I see here group submission, so completion condition you see here. Okay, so this can be set, yeah, modify from here. Okay, so by default you will see none here, and for this default activity completion setting also you will see by default the none will be checked in all the cases. Got it? So if you see feedback, whether your external tools, in all the cases it will be none by default selected, as you see here. Okay, but for now I will try updating for assignment. Okay, so let us scroll up here, refresh again this page. Now I am going to make this correction here. Any student manually, so this assignment will be marked as completed when a student this option will be satisfied. So a student must mark activity as done. If you want to add condition here, you can also put that I want make a submission, retrieve a gate, and view this. Okay, for example, let me select these two and save here, save changes. Now your default setting for this assignment is saved, and if you refresh this page and come back to this completion condition setting, you will see whatever you have set here will be applicable here by default. Okay, so this is going to save your time whenever you want to create a multiple activity, and you don't have to make correction here every time I want to this. So it is going to save you lots of time. So try this at your end and let us know if you see this is useful in your case. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.